Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning a faster way to multiply any three-digit number near a base. In this example, 229 times 232. Step 1. Find a base number such that it is near the given numbers and is easy to multiply. For both 229 and 232, we'll use 250 as the base number. Step 2. Compare the two numbers with the base number. Note that if the number is greater than the base number, the difference is positive. If the number is less than the base number, then the difference is negative. In this example, 229 is less than 250, therefore we get negative 21, and 232 is also less than 250, and we get negative 18 if we get the difference. Step 3, cross-add the difference. Either 229 plus negative 18 or 232 plus negative 21, which we will get 211. Step 4, multiply the base number to the sum. So that's 211 times 250. That gives us 52,750. Step 5, multiply the differences. Negative 21 times negative 18. Which is equal to positive 378. Step 6, add the numbers. 52,750 plus 378, you get 53,128. And that's your final answer. Therefore, 229 times 232 is equal to 53,128. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.